A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
Good morning and welcome into another video. So today we are going to go up to a mountain 1300 meters. This is called Bardonecchia. So it's 1.5 hours from Turin. I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go now to pick up my girlfriend. We're gonna get a train and we're gonna go there. So first of all, guys, thank you so much for everyone who just joined into this channel. So if you're new, please subscribe. We're gonna go there up to this mountain. You see London in here, but we are not in London, so forget about that. So let's move further. I'm gonna try to don't overthink about anything, to use less the social media. I'm gonna record, of course, everything for YouTube, but that's the maximum thing that I will do with a camera. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. London, 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 London. So here is where we're gonna stay for those 3 days. Here's the little living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the bathroom, and I think in here we got a little maisonette, but I don't actually know how to go up there. So she's quite happy that she sees food already, stuff for breakfast. No way.
Oh, wow.
What you found?
My favorite. Tea.
She found the tea. Our goal is to read all of those books, or at least half of them, in these 3 days. No, actually no. We're gonna play cards, domino. No, not domino, no. But yeah, we're gonna find something to do. See you later.
Forever, when I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights.
Felicia.
Sì. Anzi,
Sì?
prima mangio così.
Buonasera, potrei ordinare 2 pizze da far arrivare a casa. Mangi sempre tu?
Sempre. Always. Forever.
Amore.
Sbatto il cazzo.
Questo me ne sbatto un cazzo!
Pizza.
Pizza right?
When there's no hope hiding, no hands concealing what deep down.
Good morning everyone. So this place, it's honestly amazing. We spend less than 100 euro per night, and we got everything. We got breakfast, we got everything. It's not a bed and breakfast, it's an Airbnb, but the woman that gave us this place is so nice, so nice.
I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust and reason free.
So funny that in Italy sometimes they give some name to some brand without knowing what really means. 69 Slam. Bijou. 3,000 people lives in here. Only 3,000 people. I can see only 7 maximum, but yeah.
Simply let me, but I don't close the door. Waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
You are a romantic person when you make a heart with your urine. Are you proud of me? Tradition says that if you drop 2 pounds, €2, and then you're stupid. But if you drop 2p, you are clever, and you're still gonna have some fun. I found a car for you.
No thanks.
Happy?
No.
Madonna, ma che bello. And that's for me. Here we go again. Woo!
I'm done.
You all know about the pizza, but nobody knows about this. This is called farinata. It doesn't have any English name. It's made with chickpea flour and sunflower oil, and you create this masterpiece. Enjoy.